So here's the view through one of the oculars, the eyepieces, sorry, and this is the lowest magnification. When this is the highest magnification, and we go back to the lowest magnification. Yeah, you see there's a scale projected. It's not easy to get it sharp, but there's a scale projected from 0 to 100 in the lens to do measurements. You see it when you see the scale. So this was one eyepiece, and we were just zooming in on this small 4mm bar here. Let's see, yeah, there it is again. That's it.